the plate? Wait, where's it making sound? Yeah, no, just go. It's one. Stop. Good. And same with the web. Pull over. On the beat? Good. Alright, we're just going pursuit, bro.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's the LAPD here?
Is it northbound?
Yeah.
696, stand by. There's no VT unit defined DN.
16936, we're going to be in pursuit of the ADW truck going from the DWP incident eastbound west from Amwood. Requested back with airship supervisor.
Any rally traffic, AME 16X810 Laurel Canyon Boulevard for a key injury incident 3627.
696, how to be injury?
Correction, okay.
Get it back, just driver. 6936, what's the ETA on the back of the airship supervisor? Hold. Go. 16X36, we'll be going eastbound to Oxford from when?
Next looking at 7 to domestic. 6X05.
We're in the PA. We're in the PA, dude. 16X36, we're going to be going in pursuit of the ADW suspect vehicle. We're going to be going eastbound Tuxford from Cayuga, approaching San Fernando. Southbound.
On frequency standby, 16X36 is in pursuit of the vehicle suspect eastbound Tuxford from Cayuga, approaching San Fernando.
Slow down. 16X36, southbound 5 freeway, approaching Penrose.
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. Coming down the ramp. With the officer. Thanks for the help, guys.
I'm alright.
Off the freeway, go down to, it's going to take you over the 5 freeway. You're going to have to U-turn, get back on the other way. Officers coming off that off-ramp, your next right. He went through this parking lot. Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, he's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer. He's turning around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officers. He's ramping.
Hey, rescue team on the side, get that dude out!
Let's continue to move the vehicle. Looks like he's reversing, attempting to turn the vehicle.
Get that dude out!
Suspect is continuing to move the vehicle, reversing. Suspect is ramming the... He's coming forward, he's ramming the police car. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst. He's coming forward, ramming the police car. Suspect is running a police car southbound on Edenhurst. Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer. Ramp. Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way.
Hey! Hey, get out the fuck! Hey, get on the fucking ground! Shots fired! After these help! Shots fired! Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officer's coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. Coming down the ramp towards the officer. Make this a help call.
I'm alright, I'm alright! Hey, down the car! Stop, hold! Hey, hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Facing your way.
He's gonna ram him. He's gonna ram him.
He's coming down the ramp.
No, wait, no.
Hey! Oh, you're fine. Hey, down the car! Hold fire! Hold fire!
West of San Fernando.
69-120, I'm at scene. I'm going to be instant commander. Suspect is armed with a screwdriver at this point. Fine. Guys! Stop! We have one person giving commands on this side. One person giving commands. Yeah, I'm telling them to be quiet. Tell him we don't want to hurt him. We don't want to hurt him. He just wants to get out. Okay, that's close enough. We got enough time. We got enough time.
Yeah, I'll take your locations in Edenhurst. They're going to be on Edenhurst.
Grab some less lethal. Just grab some less lethal. Do you have any there? Taser? All right.
Pull another shot maybe up here.
The car's disabled, bro. It's not going anywhere.
But at least you have cover over here.
Responding to the health. Better location is Edenhurst and the Colorado Freeway exit westbound.
Manuel Monarca. He's on parole for ADW.
Hey, if we take out the tires, no, not with the shots. Hey, if we start up again, you're primary.
A vehicle is moving. Suspect reversing his vehicle.
Hey, Butler, if he starts to go, Guzman, you're going to be primary. You're going to be secondary, okay? I need other units to block this side of the parking lot. Hey, bring your car over here. Actually, bring your car over here on this side. Esther, can you move this shop up here? This shop right here if you can.
Stand by. Vehicle is moving forward now.
Hey, you're in reverse. Or disregard. All the way up here. Hold it. Up here. Watch out. Right here. Stop.
Attempting to turn the vehicle.
Hey, provide cover for this civilian to get out.
Reversing.
Hey, put some spike strips right here. Back up.
queremos que sea daño. ¡Salte de la troca! ¡Salte de la troca!
Get away! Hey, Sarge! No! Watch this! You guys good? Everyone good? Pull through! I got you! Holy shit! Now! Grabs. Hey! Fraser! Fraser! Get behind cover! Hey! Down here on this side. One shooter, one less than
Okay, Santiago, get up on the LRAM and make the left.
We're gonna get you some medical help, man. Got his arm. Got his arm. Hey, somebody grab his leg. Yep. I got his arm. Alright, let's handcuff him.
No! Don't use that. Use the cuff.
Okay, handcuffs. Okay, handcuffs. If we need to get him on the ground, let's get him on the ground. Want to get him on the ground?
No! No!
I got one arm.
Señor, esa es su voluntad. Yo sé que esta no es su voluntad.
I got this arm. I got his right arm. Got his right arm. You can let go.
Como siempre me ha salvado. Desde el principio y por los siglos de los siglos. Amén. No.